Welcome to Room 7 Assembly. The article of the week that we are looking at is 22, which is the World Refuge Day, which is on the 20th of June 2021. This article is also coexists with Article 10, but we are only looking at Article 22. As you can see on the screen, it is regarding refugee children. And it says, if a child is seeking refugee or has refugee status, governments must provide them with appropriate protection and assistance to help them enjoy all the rights in the Convention. Governments must help refugee children who are separated from their parents to be reunited with them. Now, for something for you to think about, some questions for you to consider, maybe discuss in your classroom with your teacher and your teacher assistants. Firstly, why might some children have to leave their homes and their country to try and find safety in another country? It's a difficult question, but something to think about. Also, there are many considerations for us to think about. How many of these did you get when you were asking that question earlier? We've got a long list and they're not exclusive. It may be that there is war and conflict in the country that they used to live in. There may be a lack of food or clean water. There could have been a natural disaster such as a flood or an earthquake. Climate change could have impacted their home and family livelihood. They may have been treated unfairly because of their religious beliefs. There could have been persecution of their race or ethnicity. And finally, there may be persecution because of their family political beliefs. So did you get any of these when you were discussing this matter? What other answers did you come up with? And so we'll conclude with a reflection. This year, on the 20th of June, is World Refuge Day. It's an opportunity to think about these things for children who need to flee their country for many reasons. But there's a theme this year in 2021, which is Together We Heal, Learn and Shine. So we're going to leave you with some thoughts for some time for you to think about what that actually means. What do the words or actions can help to heal a bad situation? How can we learn more about the lives of other people whose experiences may be different to ours? How can all children, including refugees, shine? We are all different, but why is doing things together really important? So thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy your discussions together and think about children who are refugees on the day of World Refuge Day, which is the 20th of June 2021. Thank you from Room 7.